Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Myself Mrs. Aarti. Today we are going to learn EVS 5th chapter, that is Staying Clean and Healthy, Part 2. Before I start the chapter, I would like to ask you some questions. What are the good habits? What is rest? Do you know this question answers, children? No. Okay, for all these questions you will find the answer in this chapter. In the previous session we have discussed about cleanliness and how to keep ourselves clean. And now we are discussing about good habits. Good habits help us to stay healthy, happy and clean. We need to develop good habits to stay healthy and fit. Now let us learn more about them. First is eating habits. Always eat from a clean plate and drink from a clean glass. Children, you should eat from clean plate and you should drink water from a clean glass. Eat slowly and chew well. Children, while eating you should eat very slowly and you should chew the food. If you not chew the food, like that only you eat, means your in the stomach indigestion will take place and your stomach will pain and you will fall ill. So while eating you should chew the food and eat slowly. Do not waste food. Children, you should never waste the food. Now we are discussing about exercise and recreation. Exercise is very important for every person. Exercise keeps the body fit and strong. Look at the picture here, children. What the kids are doing? They are doing exercise. Exercise keeps our body fit and strong. We must play outdoor games. Children, do you know what are the outdoor games? Outdoor games are basketball, cricket, volleyball, football. These are playing other outdoor games. You should play outdoor games. Recreation is necessary after work. Children, do you know what is recreation? Recreation is nothing but it is a refreshment activity for our mind and body. It makes our mind fresh. Recreation will make our mind fresh. We should enjoy music. We should go out for a walk with our elders. We should listen to stories. These are all about the recreation, children. Now we are discussing about rest and sleep. Children, after doing homework and after playing, what you all feel? You will feel tired. If you feel tired, means what you want to do? You want to take rest and go to sleep. We get tired after work or play. Hence we need to rest. Rest refreshes our mind and body. A good sleep gives us rest. Children, daily you should sleep for 8 to 10 hours every day, children. This makes your mind fresh. Now we are discussing about some more good habits. First is we should go to bed early in the night. Yes, it's a good habit. It's a right. Next, we should get up early in the morning. Children, daily you should get up early in the morning. It's a good habit, so it is correct. Next, do not pluck flowers from the park. Children, you should never pluck the flowers from the park. It's a bad habit. So it is correct. Use the washroom properly. Always flush it before and after use. Children, after using washroom, you should flush before and after use. It is a good habit. Next, always throw waste in the dustbin. Whatever the waste is there, that you should throw in the dustbin. It is a good habit. Pray to God daily. Children, you should pray to God and worship Him. It's a good habit. Trim your nails regularly. Regularly in a week, you should trim your nails. It's a good habit, so it is correct. Next, say thank you when someone gives you a gift. When you will receive a gift from your friends or elders, what you should say? You should say thank you. It's a good habit. So it is correct. Now it's a time for recapitulation. Cleanliness is very important to maintain good health. We must develop good habits of cleanliness. Good habits also help us to stay fit. Exercise keeps the body fit and strong. Recreation is necessary after work. I hope you all might have understood the chapter Staying Clean and Healthy. In the next class, we will discuss the new chapter, children. Thank you, children. Have a good day.